In this video, we'll be solving a question on statistics. In this case, we are given a question and we are also given an assumed mean of 50. We have to use it to calculate for the mean deviation. How do we go about this? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. The first thing we have to write, we should note that our mean is equal to the assumed mean plus summation of f of x minus a, which is the assumed mean, all over summation of f. And our mean deviation, is equal to summation of f x minus x bar all over summation of f. So this is what we use in computing the mean deviation for the given question. Now, the next thing to do is to form a table so that we'll be able to compute what we have here. So we have to form a table. The first one, we have age. This age is in years. The second one is the number of people. Since we have age in years, we'll also put our class midpoint. So this will be our class midpoint. Of course, this is x. Then we also have number of people. Number of people, which is our f value. Now we have this. The first one we have is 18 to 38. Of course, this is our class interval. Class interval. The next one is 39 to 59. The next one is 60 to 80 and 81 to 101. Here we have our f values. We have 10, we have 13, we have 11, and we have 6. Now, how do we obtain our x value? Our x value is just to add 18 plus 38 divided by 2, because that is our midpoint. That is the x value. So we come here, we said 18 plus 38 divided by 2. Which is 28. Now, 39 plus 59 divided by 2, we have 49. The next one is 60 plus 80 divided by 2, which is 70. And we have 81 plus 101 divided by 2. We have 91. Now, we can now produce our f of x. We can produce our f of x. Or, okay, we will not be making use of this. So we say, first, since we have x minus a, we say x minus a. Here a is the assumed mean, and our assumed mean is 50. Our assumed mean is 50. So individual values for x minus 50 will now give us x minus a. So we have first 28 minus 50 is equal to negative 22. 49 minus 50 is equal to negative 1. 70 minus 50 is 20. And 91 minus 50 is 41. So these are the values we have for that. The next we can get f multiplied by x minus a. F multiplied by x minus a. That means so we have summation of x multiplied by x minus a, and we have it to be 233. So we have 233 all over. Summation of f is 40, which is the same thing as our original is 50 plus 233 plus 40. Sorry, 233 divided by 40 is equal to So x bar, which is our mean, will be 50 plus 5.825. Five point eight two five. Now we are to calculate for x minus x bar. X minus x bar. Because of what we have here, this sign, everything will become positive. So x minus 55.825. X, which is 28 minus 55.825, which is negative 27.825. But we can't write negative 27.825 because of this sign. We will write it positive 27.825. The next one is 49. 49 minus 55.825. So we have 49 minus 55.825, which is we have negative 6.825, but we can't write the negative sign because of what we have here. Now we have 70 minus 55.825. 70 minus 55.825 give us 14.175. We also have 91. 91 minus 55.825. So we have 91 minus 55.825. So we have 35.175. Now, we still have another table to complete. We have another table to complete so that we'll be able to get the mean deviation. We are asked to find the mean deviation. Now, we move over to this side of the board, which is f multiplied by what we have here, x minus x bar. F multiplied by x minus x bar. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So individual values of x multiplied by what we have here. That is how we can complete that thing. So we have 10. The first one is 10. The first one is 10 multiplied by 27.825, which is 278 minus 25. We also have 13. 13 multiplied by 6.825, which is 88.725. Now we also have 11. 11 multiplied by 14.175. So we have 159.925. Then we have 6, which is the last one. 35.175. We have 11.05. Now, the next thing to do, because we have our summation sign here, we've already talked about the meaning of summation, which means addition. The summation of the whole of this, that means we have to sum the whole of this. If we sum the whole of this, we get something like this. Summation of f of x minus x bar which is equal to, so we have to sum the whole of that. We have 276.25 plus 88.725 plus 155.925 plus 211.05, which is 733.95. 733.95. Now that is what we have. The next thing to do is to now compute our mean deviation. We have to compute the mean deviation if we are given an assumed mean of 50. So move over to the other side of the box. You take that side of the box. You need to subscribe to this channel. Now we are asked to calculate for our mean deviation. For mean deviation is equal to the summation of f of x minus x bar all over summation of f. Now what is summation of f of x minus x bar? We have it to be 733.95 because that is what we got from calculating this. So we have 733.95, which is 733.95 divided by summation of f. Our summation of f here is 40. So we write 40. Which is equal to 7.95 divided by 40. So we have 1.349. So this becomes our mean deviation. So we simply have to compute the mean deviation if an assumed mean is given. So it is quite simple. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. If you want to get the mean deviation of any group data given, you follow this procedure, you arrive at the correct answer to that. In this video, we'll be solving a question on statistics. In this case, we are given a group data and we are asked if the average point obtained is 11, what is the standard deviation? This time we are given an average point, which is the mean. So how do we go about this? Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing for you to do is that you should know that our mean is equal to summation of f of x all over summation of x. And the standard deviation is equal to the square root of the summation of f of x minus x bar squared all over summation of x. So the first thing for you to do is to produce a table that will enable us solve for this and this. So that is what we have here. First, we have the points. First on our table is the points, which is our value for x. The second is number of students. Which is f. We have f of x. Our f of x will be base multiplied by x or b multiplied by b. So the first one will be 8x. Second one will be 9 times 10 is 19. The third one is 10 times x is 10x. The fourth one is 11 times 8. 11 multiplied by 8 is 88. 12 multiplied by x plus 1 is 12x. Plus 1. 13 multiplied by 8 is 39 minus 14. 39x minus 13. And 14 multiplied by this is 14x plus 14. So we have to calculate for the mean first. To calculate for our mean, we have to sum the whole of this. Now, summing it, we have 8x plus 90 plus 10x plus 88 plus 12x plus 1 plus 39x minus 13 plus 14x plus 14. So we have summation of f of x will be equal to the root of this will give us 83x plus 191. 83x plus 191. And now we also need to find the values for f of x. So we also sum the whole of this, which is summation of f. Summation of f will be equal to we have x plus 10 plus x plus 8 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3x plus minus 1 and plus x plus 1. So that alone will give us 7x plus 19. 7x plus 19. 7x plus 19. So it then means that our x bar is equal to the summation of f of x divided by the summation of f, which is 83x plus 191 divided by 7x plus 19. 7x plus 19. So, for me to complete this, You need space for that. So you have to delete this part of the board to do that. We delete this part of the board so that we can be able to calculate for this first, which is our mean. Now we have the delete this part. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we are also calculating the standard deviation, and we are giving a point which is 11. An average point is 11. You should note that we are giving an average point in the equation which is 11. So we said the average point of 10 is 11. So if you have x to be equal to 83x plus 191 all over 7x plus 19. X here is our average point, which is 11, which is the average point obtained from the given equation. That is what they gave us from the equation. They gave us our average point to be 11. So that 11 will now be 83x plus 191 all over 7x plus 19. So what we do to give us multiply? To give us 11 multiplied by 7x plus 19 to be equal to, 83x plus 191. So the problem is we have 11 times 7, which is 77x plus 11 multiplied by 19, which is 209 to be equal to 83x plus 191. We have to calculate for the standard deviation. Let's leave this, we'll still write it back. So for more on this topic, we need to subscribe to this channel. To collect items, we have 77x minus 83x is equal to 191 minus 209. So 77 minus 83 is equal to negative 6x is equal to 191 minus 209. 1 minus 18. So this will cancel this. Our x will be equal to 18 divided by 6, which is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6, which is 3. Therefore, our x is equal to 3. So, we've gotten the value of x. X is equal to 3. Now, we can come over to here because we can write, we need x minus x bar. So, we have to find that. So we have our average mean to be 11, and we have our x. Our x to be from the equation. From the equation, our average mean is 11. So all we need to do is that whatever we have here, we subtract it from 11. That means this is 11. Given from the equation. So individual values of x minus the mean, which is 11. So x we know is 3. 3 minus 11, negative 8. 10 minus 11, 1. 3 minus 11 again, negative 8. 8 minus 11, negative 3. Negative 3. This is x. X is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 11. Negative 7. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, is 8. 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11, negative 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 11, negative 7. So that is what we have for that. We are asked to calculate the standard deviation. So the next thing we'll calculate is, because of this negative sign, we have x minus x bar squared. So you mean that we take the square of this. Of course, negative 8 multiplied by negative 8 will give us 64. So that is 8 squared will give us 64. Positive 64. 1 squared is 1. 8 squared is 64. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 will give us 9. 7. Negative 9 multiplied by negative 9 is 49. And negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is 9. The same thing, 47. That is 7 squared. Now, the next we have on our list, we will have to calculate for f of s minus s bar squared. Yes, so it means that whatever value we have for f, we multiply it by what we have here. So we already know that our x is 3. So 3 multiplied by 64. 3 multiplied by 64 is 192. 3 multiplied by 64 is 192. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Also, 10 multiplied by 1 is 10. 3, x is 3. 3 multiplied by 64, we have 192 again. And 8 multiplied by 9. 8, which is the frequency, and the frequency. 8 multiplied by 9, 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. 72. X plus 1 multiplied by 49. X is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 49. 4 multiplied by 49 is equal to 196. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. And the last we have is 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 multiplied by 47. 4 multiplied by 47. 188. 188. So we just find the summation of x minus x bar squared, which is equal to. Now we have to sum whatever we have there. We have to sum whatever we have there to get the total. We have to sum whatever we have there to get the total. So it then means we write, we sum 192 plus 10 plus 192 plus 72 plus 126 plus 188. We have 850. Now we also calculate for the standard deviation. Like it is in the equation, we have to calculate for the standard deviation. Now how do we calculate for the standard deviation? We already know the formula for the standard deviation. So we have to delete this part of the board to calculate for the standard deviation. We already know that our x is equal to 3. Now, we delete this. The formula for our standard deviation is equal to the square root of summation of f of x minus x bar squared all over summation of f. Now we have our standard deviation of x to be equal to the square root of 850 minus 850 divided by summation of f. We have summation of f to be 7x plus 19, which is 7 multiplied by 3 plus 19 18, which is 40. 40. So our standard deviation will be equal to 850 divided by 40, which is equal to 21.35. So our SD will be equal to square root of 21.25, which is 4.6097, which if we approximate, we have 4.61. So this is simply how we can compute the standard deviation if we are given equation, if we are given subscription. So once you follow this procedure, it will be very easy to compute all of this. Once you follow this procedure. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.